Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are described as powerful herb in Ayurveda and it has psychoactive effects. That's why it's been recommended that it should be used in strictly purified form and in controlled manner only on prescription. Hemp seeds these days are very popular in market, and it's been said like they are very good immunity boosters. They are very hot in potency and they are very beneficial, and they have some tranquilizing impact also on your brain. So, and they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So, is it good to take hemp seeds or no? What is Ayurveda perspective on it? Hemp seeds are bitter in taste and very hot in potency. That means the post-digestive effect is hot. They are very light to digest and they are very dry. They have a pain relieving and calming impact on the body. So it's been said like these days the research are going on that many diseases that include pain, like in the treatment of cancer or in some kind of very big tumor, or to some those kind of wounds which are not healing like diabetic wounds, hemp seeds or cannabis oil are being used. But it is not used just like randomly, like anybody can go and use and take hemp seeds. It should be used on doctor's prescription basis, because in Ayurveda the cannabis, it is considered as madhkari dravya. That means it gives intoxication when misused. It stimulates appetite. If there is immense inflammation in the body, then also certain medicines are being used where cannabis is one of the herb. It is being also used in anxiety and stress situations and sleep disturbances. If somebody is in severe pain and like CA pain, or like it is like unbearable pain, then hemp seeds or cannabis is being recommended, but under the observation of doctor, not as a self medication. It improves the joint flexibility and pain. It is rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It helps to calm your nervous system, and it is beneficial in malnutrition and muscle weakness. When it's been taken by self medication, then it causes excessive dryness in the system. It can increase your heartbeat and can cause anxiety, and it can cause dullness of your mind and impaired judgment. That's why you should never take hemp seeds or any product that is related with cannabis just by self-medication. You should always consume it with the help or a prescription of doctor, and especially there are certain medicines in which cannabis is being used in a purified form. Like in Ayurveda, there is a process of shodhan. After that, certain medicines are there in which cannabis is being used, or its juice has been used, or its seeds has been used. So those medicines should be taken only after the prescription of doctor, not as self-medication. Hemps are definitely a healing herb, but in prescribed doses. If it has been used just like that, it can have intoxication and bad impacts on your mind, health, and on the body. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click the join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.